Introducing the Atlas LED Floodlight. The Atlas LED Floodlight has full wattage, which is designed for small, medium, and large-size sports courts and more. The bracket is extremely versatile for all applications as it can be adjusted in 10-degree increments. The glass cover is fixed by 2 buckles and it's very easy to maintain and replace a failed driver. The Atlas LED Floodlight has different optic lenses for different applications, and the asymmetric optics are an excellent solution for outdoor tennis courts. The inside of the fixture has a waterproof seal and the whole fixture meets IP66 certification. The built-in 10 kV SPD protects the fixture from any voltage surges. The respirator in our LED floodlights dispenses any internal moisture caused through condensation. This protects the unit from electrical faults or short-circuiting. The Atlas LED floodlight with a built-in respirator stops the lenses from fogging up. Lights without this feature will fog up in wet weather. Available in 3 different housing sizes for each wattage option. This gives you cost-efficient options for several applications. The Atlas LED floodlight is really a versatile lighting solution, effective in outdoor stadiums, sport courts, and fields, and even outdoor signage.